A broadcast package is a simple way to make sure your motion graphics, text styles, transitions, and animations have continuity and complement one another. Here are 5 of our top picks to help you create a cohesive look for your channel. All these broadcast packages are available to download from Envato Elements. Get access to unlimited motion graphics and other video templates, all for one low cost. You can find all the links in the description below. Broadcast Hand Package is a nice visual twist on the usual explainer type templates. A hand animation brings in your logo or text before leaving the screen, so your information is clear and easy to read. Including the human element will draw your viewers' attention to your logo as the hand places it on the screen, so this is a great way to reinforce your brand identity on YouTube. A fun package, Entertainment makes use of a quirky flat design and great transitions. It includes graphics that fit a number of topics like travel, fitness, and more. As you can see, this is a high-energy YouTube motion graphics template with bright colors and plenty of movement, so it would be great for a YouTube channel targeting a youthful audience. Next up is the Lava Broadcast Package. With eye-catching colors and subtle motion in the form of lava bubbles, this is a modern YouTube channel template that's perfect for fashion shows, vlogs, and more. The lava effect is bold enough to make an impression, but subtle enough to avoid distracting from your video. Use this broadcast motion graphics template for Premiere Pro to give your YouTube channel a professional, classy vibe. Our next item, YouTube Pack, has all the graphics and effects you need for your YouTube channel. Need animated transitions? Social media links? YouTube subscribe and like buttons? It's all here. All in all, this YouTube Motion Graphics Pack gives you 53 customizable elements in 8 different categories. And if you're not a Premiere Pro expert, don't worry. The pack includes a useful video tutorial. With geometric shapes and smart transitions, this broadcast package lives up to its essential name. It's customizable and features lower thirds, titles, and more. Use these YouTube channel graphics to give your videos and your channel as a whole a consistent professional appearance. Give it a try and see what a difference it makes. I hope you enjoyed this roundup of the 5 top YouTube channel templates for Premiere Pro. All of the broadcast motion graphic templates we've looked at today are available from Envato Elements. Just click the links in the description to download them. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more roundups and training videos, including a free 3-hour Premiere Pro tutorial.